Monday.com Review 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you a review about Monday.com and telling you all the pros and cons about this website and whether this is one of the best project management tool out there. So let's just get started. So one of the best things that I like about this website is the amount of templates that we get, and the quality of templates that we get. So basically, as you can see over here, we have a lot of different categories for templates. So we have marketing, content production, project management, design, HR, manufacturing, and all these templates and all these different types of templates that are available to us at the beginning. So we can go ahead and select whichever one we want. So let's just choose this one right here. I think this one looks pretty good. The templates on this website is pretty amazing. Like, other websites have pretty good templates, but this one has a very nice templates. And the other thing that I really love about Monday.com is its user-friendly design and accessibility. Like, everything is right in front of us. So we have our inbox, we have a workspace over here. We can just simply add different workspaces by clicking on the add button. We have source charts, we have our main tables, we can add new items and stuff like that. We have different boards. We can change it to the form view, or we can add another view. Well, let's just go with the Kibana view because I really like that type of view. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's colorful, it's responsive, it doesn't have a lot of different ads, it doesn't beat around the bushes. It's very responsive and very user friendly. As I said before, everything just fits so well in this website. And another thing that I really like about Monday.com is its plans. So if you see the plans, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive as well. So as you can see, we have the basic plan, which is $8 a seat per month, which is around total of $40 per month. So for each seat you have to pay $8, and you can have multiple seats. So as you can see over here, so for the basic views, you can have unlimited free viewers, you have unlimited items, you have unlimited boards, you have 200 templates, over 20 column types, Apple and Android apps support, and create a dashboard based on a one board. So, and then the most popular one is the standard package, which is only $2 more, which is $10. So I think that it would make more sense to buy the standard version than the basic version, because it costs at $2 more and you're getting a better plan as well. So I would recommend going for this one over here. So as I said before, you can change the seats of how many seats you want. So for example, let's just say that we want 3 seats, and our plans will be, and then the price will change to from a $50 per month to $30. So $10 per site, that's $30 per month right there, which is not really expensive, but it's not that cheap as well. So if you calculate $30 per month, that's around $360 per month, I think. Yeah, let me do a little calculation over here. So 30 multiply by 12, that's 360. Yeah, so that's $360 per year, which I don't think it's that expensive, but I think it's cheap as well. I mean, $360 per year, that's pretty cheap. A lot of websites out there that ask you half that for a month. Like, the other websites out there are very cheap. And another thing that I really like about this website, it's UI. So the user interface is very simple and is very attractive as well. So you have basically everything in front of you. There isn't any hidden form or hidden option that you might be looking for later on when you're using this. Everything is simple, everything is smooth, everything is very beautiful, it's bright, it's colorful. You can change themes however you like it as well. And Monday.com is highly customizable. Like, you can add different colors, you can add more persons over here, you can change the views about your boards, you can change the color of your boards as well, you can add different items, you can basically do anything that you want when it comes to customizations on Monday.com. And they also offer in-app automation, so which is also really nice. And as you can see, and they have a lot of tons of integrations as well. So we have all these big applications, so they are directly competing with Zapier when it comes to integrations and extensions. So basically, as you can see, all the major players are available over here. They aren't as many as on Zapier, that I would say, but you don't need all the other apps on Zapier because no one uses all the apps on Zapier. They only use use the ones that are popular and the ones that people use very often, and I think monday.com has that in the bag as well. So as you can see, we have a lot of different integrations. We have Trello, we have GitHub, we have Slack, we have Asana, we have Stripe, Harvest, LinkedIn, HubSpot. We have all these different websites. We even have Adobe Creative Cloud. So for those of you that have a large projects and they have it on the cloud, you can even sync it over here on monday.com. So I think when it comes to integrations and extensions, monday.com, it has it in the bag, guys. So let's just go ahead and compare it with other websites that are similar and trying to compete against monday.com. So as you can see over here, we have monday.com, we have Asana, and we have Basecamp. So over here, the overall ratings are in front of us, and the ease of use is pretty much the same. The value for money is also pretty much the same, except for Basecamp. These monday.com and Asana have better value and functionality, and they're all basically the same. And down below we have some pros and cons. So let's check out the pros. This product was easy to use and had a great looking interface. As I said before, I really like the interface, and it's beautiful, easy to configure, and extremely customizable. And for Asana, it's beautiful, it's easy to configure, and extremely customizable. I love how this app is so simple and easy to use. This is by far the best project managing app I've seen. So this was another pro for Asana, and the same can be said about monday.com. Now let's just check out a few cons as well. So for Monday, some menus are buried and hard to find, not always the speediest of the things to use, but otherwise it tops. I can somewhat agree with that and somewhat disagree, because for me, I never had trouble finding applications, but I guess that is me. For some people, they might have trouble finding it, but that's just my personal opinion. I never had an issue with monday.com. And for Asana, the tool is great, but it is not easy to understand, and some of the things are very complicated. So as you can see, for Asana, it's a little bit difficult as well. And when it comes to pricing over here, as you can see, the pricing range for monday.com is only in the single digits, and for Asana, it's in 3 digits, and for Basecamp, it's also in 3 digits as well. So lower is better when it comes to pricing range. So I guess monday.com has another win over here. And another thing that I think you should guys note is that the operating system, monday.com does not have an operating system because it's not an application. It's basically a website. It doesn't have a application as of right now. Maybe they'll implement a application in the near future, but as of right now, it doesn't have one. Whereas Asana is the only one in the bunch that has a Windows application and a Mac application as well. So I think that basically covers everything up. So that it was my review of monday.com. I know it was a pretty small review. I didn't go over a lot of things, but I mean, you don't really need to go over all the details about this website. I mean, this is a pretty great website for a project management tool. Everything is very awesome. The UI is great, the colors are great, the templates are amazing. What more can you ask for? It's user friendly, it's easy to use, it's fluid, and it doesn't get stuck or glitchy at any time. Everything works smoothly on monday.com. So what else do you need? But for some reason, if you don't want to use monday.com, you could always use Slack or Asana. They're both pretty amazing websites when in comparison. I guess if I had to put it in a perspective, I would say monday.com, Slack, and Asana. These three are the websites that are at the top right now when it comes to project management websites. So it's that if you don't want to use monday.com, you can check out the other two. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.